This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by creating a Firebase project and adding a web app. This gives you the Firebase config object you need. Once done, install the Firebase SDK via npm or include the CDN scripts so your page can import messaging. Make sure to enable cloud messaging in the console and note the messaging sender ID and public vapid key. Then, initialize Firebase in your main.js file using Firebase. Initialize app Firebase config so messaging APIs are available. That starts the app-ready state. Next, request the user's permission for notifications, call notification. Request permission and respond to the promise. While waiting, register your service worker at the root Firebase messaging SW.js so background messages are handled. Once permission is granted, call getToken messaging vapid key, your public vapid key to obtain the FCM registration token. Save that token in your user database and refresh it when the token changes. Make sure to handle denied permission gracefully and prompt again later if appropriate. Finally, wire up message handlers. Use on message, messaging, payload, in page to display in-app alerts, and implement on background message or a notification event in Firebase messaging SW.js for background delivery. Test by sending a message from the Firebase console or server using the token you saved. If messages don't arrive, check the public vapid key match, verify the token is current, confirm service worker is registered at the site root, and inspect browser console/network errors. Fixing those typically resolves delivery issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.